Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Altair with local model running on your machine. To do so, first launch the app you're using to run your local model. It can be Ollama or LM Studio. Here I'm going to choose LM Studio. After, select a model to load. It's really important to choose the right model. To do so, look at two icons. First, the little eye that indicates that your model can handle image. It's a vision model. And the little tool if you want to use Altair Tools connection, internal tools, or MCP. Here, we're going to use the Quen model. Click and load. Make sure you have GPU offload, and you can increase the context length. And the model is loading. After, in Altair, you go into Settings, API keys, and here enable Custom Provider. Choose your provider LM Studio, and you should see appearing here the model that you just load. Do /, and now the models appears in your list under LM Studio Custom. You can just click, and it loads. And now we can do a test. Make me a joke. And here we go. We have the joke. This is how you use Altair with local model.